Hey, what's up guys? We got the Vexplo bumper cover here. I'm just gonna show you how it works. So after you load something, you can just, flip it up over the object. If you're gonna take it out and you don't wanna drag it against your bumper, just flip it down. It's not too big, it's perfect size for my RAV4. This is the 38-incher one, I believe. So all I gotta do is, this is a big rollator here that I would love to slide against my vehicle, but not scratch it. So this cover's great for that. But yeah, I'm just gonna slide it down, and then after I take it out, just flip the bumper cover back in, and then I can close the trunk.